Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I was asked um, by someone to show how I do my video, how I piece my videos together. I never edit my videos, but here's how I put them together. Okay, say I just recorded a video. So I'm going to go in right here and I'm using um, a program called Movie Maker. I will try to link it down below, but I don't think they have this version anymore. Um, First I go here, and then I get the video that I'm looking for. So let me go here, and I'm gonna pull up this video. Okay, I'm gonna open it, and it goes into the program. Now, to get my um, thumbnail, I do the same thing. But this time I'll go into my external hard drive and I have a folder. But this one I think I have in pictures. Uh, I deleted it already, but we're gonna say it's for this, okay? So here's my thumbnail. And then how I add the music is I go here, okay? And I go to add music. And then I pick the music that I want. And this is all music from YouTube. So it's all YouTube approved music. So I want to split it to where it's not here where I'll be talking. So I put my line here, go to music tools, and it's usually a little split button, but for some reason, why is this flipped over? Oh, okay. Some reason this music ain't working. So let's exit out of that. And we're going to add a different song. Let's just add whatever. Okay, so you see how that is? We're going to move the mouse here. We're going to go back to the music tools, split the music, and here you can lower the music by going here. Okay, and lower, and it'll play like it's playing in the background. And then you take this, drag it over here. Okay, go back here to the music tools, split that. And then here, you can go to the speaker here and turn up the volume. So when you play it, see, I can do it while it's playing too. I can just mute it. So let's do this again. I want this part loud. When it gets here, I'll split it. Let it play. And then here, I'll turn the volume off and then turn it back on. See? And I can lower. It's supposed to go low, but I don't know. Because I'm not talking in this video, so it's going to stay that way. But this is supposed to go here. So I'll move that to here. And there you go. That's how I do my videos, okay? So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified as to when I upload a new video, when I go live, or when I put up new content. So, happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. Please be blessed, be kind, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Oops. Bye bye for now.